Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE5 with 10,998 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with a Two Brothers exhaust, LED running lights, LED front fender side markers, LED headlights, and rider footrests. SPYDER offers long-distance touring comfort, agility, and thrilling power on the stability of 3 wheels, standing out in a class of its own with its unique design. Powered by a 998cc inline V-twin engine, the SPYDER puts 100 horsepower and 76 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It weighs in at 928 pounds and has a 30.4-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.